the rain. Check it out. About time. We really needed this. I know my plants are all digging it. God, but it could slow down a little. Look at the road. The road up there. It's coming down so hard. There's going to be some flooding going on here. This is pretty severe. Anyway, there you go. Hello, Ray. I actually videotaped this for you, my dear friend. We are finally getting it. I'm glad you got it. It's my turn now. Anyway, there we go. Look at it. Look at that rain. Isn't it lovely? It's just a little too hard right now. Yeah. I got 10 baby chicks this morning. Part of them is for Ray. The other part's for Mindy. Because I like the Plymouth Barred Rocks. So we got 10 of them today. Hopefully all 10 will make it. That doesn't always happen. But anyway. Yep. Corn. My little buddy right there was outside. Yeah. Okay. I was outside too, but anyway, there it is. Beautiful.